SYBILE art, 40 by 40 cm rounds, special treatment, version 3. We start the special treatment with version 1, and that is with prism pearls sprinkled in the background. So these are the dark special beads you see in the sort of black areas in the background, in the darkest areas in the background. Sprinkle prism pearls on there for version 1. And then for version 2, we have raspberry crystals that we have placed on her headband and then sprinkled it on the flowers on her hair, as well as the flower that she's holding, and a little bit on the bottom of her dress. And then finally for version 3, we've got alexandrite that we have sprinkled on the blue areas of the picture. So you can choose to do that either on the petals like I've done here. There are some alexandrite on these blue petals, and there are also some over here on these smaller sort of flowers that's kind of like floating in the air.